Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start going on the Kia, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2016 Kia Forte 18, and this is the current code right now for the check engine light. For the crankshaft position sensor, you can disconnect it from the top or you can disconnect it from the bottom where there's a lot of room. So it will be the connectors on the left, and for the O2 would be make one sensor 2. So this is sensor 1 before the cat, sensor 2 is behind the cat. So the connector for the sensor 2 is right here. I already disconnected it. You're gonna press on this tab at the bottom, press on the tab, pull out, and you just slide it off the bracket. The crankshaft position sensor, it's sitting on the oil pan right here, and right next to the oil filter, the 10mm bolt. I already took it off. And for the connector, which is sitting on top like that, which is the one on the left side, and you press on this tab right here, pull back. There you go. That's the sensor. And for the O2, which is right here, sensor 2. Sensor 1's up top, sensor 2 is here. I already took it out too. My new part. So this is the O2. Make sure the connector is the same. It's a little bit different design on the end right here, but as long as the connector is the same, it should be okay. This is the part number for the O2, and this is the part number for the crank sensor. Right there, it's my new one. So I got my new crank sensor in already. Tighten the bolt down on the connector. Just reconnect it back. There you go, it clicks already. And for the O2, I already tightened it down, and I'm just gonna plug it back up there. I'm gonna show you the code again. Check engine light is still there. Read the code. There you go, that's the code. Now I'm gonna clear it. So this one's pretty simple fix. The part's easy to get to, so that's it. Key off. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.